5 amazing things you can do with vinegar. Vinegar is a condiment that is typically used in the kitchen as a cooking ingredient and for making salad dressings and dips, etc. It is something that is cheap and readily available. However, many people are not aware that its uses around the home are widespread. In this video, we will discuss 5 of the most amazing uses of vinegar that many people are probably not aware existed. 1. Vinegar can be used for cleaning fruits and vegetables. When it comes to handling produce, it is important to be very careful and ensure that your fruits and veggies are cleaned thoroughly. Instead of just washing them with water, it is recommended to add a tablespoon of apple cider vinegar to every liter of cold water to rinse off hidden dirt and pesticides. This is most important if you suspect your veggies might contain some pesticides. 2. Vinegar can be used to get rid of stubborn carpet stains. Aside from cleaning fruits and vegetables, vinegar can also be used as a cleaning agent for eliminating carpet stains. Here is how. For light stains, combine 2 tablespoons of salt and 100 milliliters of white vinegar. Rub on the affected areas. Allow them to dry, and then vacuum. For darker stains, make the same solution, but this time add 2 tablespoons of borax. Apply to the carpet stains, let them dry, and then vacuum. For tough stains that are deeply embedded into the carpet, combine a tablespoon of vinegar with a tablespoon of corn flour, and then mix thoroughly until a paste is formed. Using a dry cloth, apply the resulting paste on the stains. Leave it on for 2 days, and then vacuum. Making a stain remover spray. Combine 1 part vinegar with 5 parts clean water, and pour in a spray bottle. In a separate spray bottle, combine 5 parts clean water and 1 part non-foaming ammonia. Spray the vinegar water solution on the stain and allow it to settle for several minutes before blotting with a clean cloth. Next, spray the ammonia solution and then blot the stain. Do this until the stain is completely removed. 3. Vinegar can be used to eliminate salt stains left on your shoes. Snow and ice can be harsh on your shoes, but more than that, the salt that is used to melt ice can be more damaging to your footwear. Aside from leaving an unpleasant-looking white stain, it can also make your shoes crack if left unaddressed. If you want to get rid of these salt stains effectively to prevent further damage, dip a cloth in undiluted vinegar and wipe the stains with it. 4. Vinegar can be used to speed up the healing process of bruises. After a painful fall or accidentally hitting any part of your body, you can prevent bruises from forming or at least boost the healing process by placing a cotton cloth or gauze soaked in white vinegar or apple cider vinegar. It is recommended to leave the gauze or cloth on the affected area about an hour. 5. Vinegar can be used to eliminate the smell of smoke in a room. When someone smoked in a room or you accidentally burned the food you're cooking, you can get rid of the lingering smell by placing a bowl that is 3/4 filled with white vinegar or apple cider vinegar. If the smoky smell is spread around the house, it is advisable to place several bowls with vinegar around the home. Given all these amazing uses of vinegar, it is highly recommended that you never run out of this condiment in your home. Aside from being effective, it is also way cheaper than other commercial cleaning products. So next time you go grocery shopping, make sure you add this to your list, because you'll never know when it will come in handy. Thank you for watching. If you like the video, please share with your friends, and please subscribe to our channel if you haven't already done so. If you want to be notified of our new uploads, do the following. New subscribers, click on the bell icon when you subscribe. Old subscribers, please turn on all your notifications.